Hey sewing friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how I cut and sew the basic round neck top. So let's get to this video. First, I place my pattern on the folded fabric. I do have a video on my channel showing you how I copied this pattern using a shirt I already own. So please make sure to check it out if you would like to know how I do that. Next, I pin the pattern on my fabric and I cut the pattern out for both the front and the back pieces. For the back, I make sure the pattern is on the grain by ensuring an equal grain line distance from the folded edge of the fabric. After cutting out all my pieces, I make sure to transfer all the notches I made. I later decided to use the exact facing my top came with, so I measured the facing and transferred it to my pattern. I made sure to measure from the seam line and not the seam allowance. I then go ahead to trace and cut out the facings. One is for the fabric and the other is for the interfacing. Next, I snip my dart, find my dart point, fold and stitch the darts together. I also stick together my back pieces, starting with basting stitches for the first 4 to 5 inches before proceeding with normal stitches, since this will be the opening to fit my head in the neck. Next, I pin the two pieces together and I stitch. Next, I worked on my sleeve, first by stitching basting stitches at the top to help ease the sleeve into the armhole, which I forgot to film. Next, I fused together the facing and interfacing with an iron and stitched them together. I then attach the facing to my top at the neckline and I stitch and trim the seam allowance. I make little snips in the neckline, which ensures the neck relaxes when turned to the right side. I secure the back facing to the top, snip the corners and turn the neck to the right side. I then understitch to give it a clean finish by making sure I push the seam allowance to the facing side. I also went ahead to top stitch the back opening and facing down to secure it. For fastenings, I used a hook and eye, which I don't show in the video. I also went ahead to attach my sleeve, I hemmed the sleeve and I hemmed the top as well. And the top was finished. That is it. Very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, sewing friends. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also do well to like this video if you learned something and if you enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much, sewing friends. Have a good one. Bye.